Today I'll show you how to do a mail merge in Microsoft Word, the fast way. Instead of typing each name, award, and average one by one, we'll let Word fill everything in automatically. Here's what you'll need: a formatted certificate template in Word, a data source in Excel, with each piece of information, name, award, and average, arranged in its own column. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Excel file. Open your Word template, go to the Mailings tab, and click Select Recipients. Choose Use an existing list, then browse to your Excel file. Select it, click Open, and click OK to confirm. Step 2. Insert the merge fields. Now we'll tell Word where each piece of data goes. Delete the placeholder text where the candidate's name should appear. Click Insert Merge field, and select the column with the names. Do the same for the award. Delete the placeholder text, then insert the merge field for the awards column. Finally, delete the placeholder for the average, and insert the merge field for that column too. At this point, all three fields, name, award, and average, are linked to your Excel data. Step 3. Generate the documents. Go to Finish and Merge, choose Edit Individual Documents, select All, and click OK. And that's it. Word automatically creates a separate, fully personalized certificate for every person on your list. No manual typing required. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.